That's what you're trusting in. Because when we got off the gold standard in the US back in 1971, when Nixon took us off the gold standard, like then officially the dollar was not backed by anything. And when you start to look at how the banking systems actually work, there's a reason why banks go into failures, and banks don't actually keep your money on deposit, they lend it out. There's something called the fractional reserve lending system that requires the banks to only hold about 10% of the money that's deposited in the banks, to hold only 10% in the bank. So like if you were to put $1,000 in the bank is only required to hold 10% of that in the bank. And in some laws, it's put in place where the bank can hold 0%. So what you're really doing in terms of your money, you're trusting in the good faith of your government, you're trusting in the good faith of your banks, and you're trusting the good faith of the bank to be like, hey, this is an IOU, right? You're putting the money in the bank. If you were to come take the money out of the bank at any given time, you would trust that the money would be there to actually pay you back. But as we saw in Silicon Valley in 2023, you know what happened when Silicon Valley